Hi there, it's Carl here from Cleaning How To. Welcome to the 3 Arena in Dublin, where we are cleaning about 2,000 seats today. So not all of the seats here are actually fabric, but the ones that we're doing are in this centre row wrapping around the entire arena. There's a 13,000 seat or 13,000 capacity arena here today. So about 2,000 of the seats are fabric, which we are cleaning, and here is how we are doing it. So the first thing that we're using is a drill agitation brush head on our drill, obviously, and what we're doing is we're rocking in and we're agitating the seats dry to basically break down the dry contaminant soiling. 95% of soiling in upholstery is going to be dry, so if we break that down before then coming in and using our shop vac Hawkeye, and the reason we're using the shop vac Hawkeye is because it has this spade, it's also a very powerful vacuum, to then come in afterwards and vacuum the seats down. Then we're pre-spraying a alkaline enzyme detergent on the seats, and then we're agitating that pre-spray into the seats with this brush, and then we are extracting using our VersaClean machine with heat and our Sapphire scientific hand tool. So that process per seat, we've brought it down to about 1.5 minutes per seat. There's a crew of 4 of us here sweeping through the arena. So the first person that's passing is doing the dry brushing, the next person is doing the vacuuming, then the seats are being pre-sprayed, and then they're being brushed to agitate that pre-spray in, and then they're being extracted with an acid rinse to neutralize that alkaline pH and bring that back down to neutral so there's no nasties left in the seat. It's going to take us, there's 1.5 minutes a seat, so calculate that out, 3,000 minutes. So you're looking at a full week's work realistically to clean the seats in this arena, but it's working out really well. There's a few issues, a little bit of gum removal. The arena itself, people have popcorn in the seats, they have Guinness, welcome to Ireland, they have Coca-Cola, they have fizzy drinks, sweets, food, hot dogs, ketchups, all that sort of fun stuff, which is why we're using an alkaline pre-spray with digestive enzymes in it. So that's going to essentially digest and break down all of those sugar soils predominantly, and then we're going to rinse it out with our acidified water. So that's how you clean 2,000 seats in an arena. It's a fantastic job to have and to do. It's something that we're quite proud of, that we're able to do that capacity of work, and it's proving to be really fruitful. I'm going to do another video of us extracting the seat, which I'm going to edit in so you can see exactly how the extraction process works. I've covered the vacuum armature because it's a little bit loud, as you can hear. So this seat is pre-sprayed, and I'm using my Sapphire. Water is now on, injecting across the path, and we're now extracting the seat out. So our pre-vacuum stage has already been done, and now it's just actually wet extracting the seat. So that's it, how to clean 2,000 seats in a concert arena. Thank you for watching the video.